Pick the correct sentence. Question number 1. I eat chocolates. I am eat chocolates. I eat chocolates. Option A. I eat chocolates. Question number 2. We studying now. We were studying now. We are studying now. Option C. We are studying now. Question number 3. She has cleaned the room. She has cleaning the room. She has cleaned the room. Option C. She has cleaned the room. Question number 4. He was finished the exam. He finished the exam. He is finished the exam. Option B. He finished the exam. Question number 5. It was raining yesterday. It raining yesterday. It were raining yesterday. Option A. It was raining yesterday. Question number 6. I had finished my school. I was finished my school. I had finished my school. Option C. I had finished my school. Question number 7. I will be pass the exam. I will pass the exam. I will passing the exam. Option B. I will pass the exam. Question number 8. She will have succeeded in life. She will have succeed in life. She will has succeeded in life. Option A. She will have succeeded in life. Question number 9. They will happy. They will be being happy. They will be happy. Option C. They will be happy. Question number 10. They are happy. They was happier. They will happy. Comment your answer.